Hi guys, Steph here. Now, a lot of my pens, especially from my recent pen hauls, are spotted by eagle-eyed viewers, customers, and they get reserved very quickly. Now, one eagle-eyed viewer saw this particular pen here. As you can see, gorgeous pen, very nice indeed. Just a little bit tired, the clip is a little pitted, just needs a bit of TLC. And here's the pen in question after said TLC. What a gorgeous pen. What we've got for you here is a Swan self-filler. This is the SM1-57. As you can see to the end of the barrel there, it's got the model number. Okay, so I'm hoping that's clear. Now, some of you will know that I actually showed you a similar pen not long ago, so what I'm going to do is leave you a link to the top there so you can go and have a look at that. But this one, as I say, it's a Swan self-filler SM1-57. It's got a lovely clear barrel imprint, as you can see there, which reads Swan self-filler Mabie Todd Co Ltd, made in England. So we've got a lovely clear imprint. Now, the only thing that I'm quite curious myself, which I'm not too sure about, is that if you go and look at the other one that I actually showed you, that one was actually had Swan minor, okay, whereas this one's got Swan self-filler. Now, we all know the self-filler means that it's a lever fill pen like so, but I'm just wondering why one has self-filler and the other one that I showed you had Swan minor. So if anybody knows, please let us know, and because we all learn something new every day. As I said, as with the previous one, it's a lever fill pen, and if I just sort of open it like so, for you people that don't know, this is a black ebonite lever. Okay, so it's a lever fill pen. Now, these pens don't have any cap bands, but again, a slight difference on some of the pens. Again, as in the previous one, that was a clipless pen, and it had the other one had an accommodation clip. So these pens, even this particular model and this particular colour, actually when I say colour, this is a gorgeous sort of blue bronze marbling. So it's got these speckles of blues and bronzes and maybe just a touch of black here and there. But even this particular model here, the 57, also comes in a clipless version. But as you can see on this one here, we've got this lovely Swan nickel clip. And if I show you to the top there, you can see it's got the Swan logo. As I said, it was a little bit dirty, pitted. We've given it a lovely polish and everything. It's absolutely lovely. To the very top there, as with a lot of these Swan pens, you can see it's got the Swan sort of logo or symbol to the very top there. But all in all, an absolutely gorgeous pen. Okay, now what I'll do, let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. It's been fully restored. Everything been disassembled, clean, new sack, etc. And as I said, this one has been reserved by a lucky customer. So let's go to the section there. You can see the very standard Swan section. Little ridge towards the nib there. And then somewhere, I believe I think it's about there, you can see it's got the Swan name written on this section as well. Now let's take you up to the nib. So we've got a lovely Swan 14 carat Mabie Todd Co made in England nib, and this is the number 1 nib, which again is correct for this model. There's a sideways view, the feed underneath, as I say in every video, even the feed gets cleaned. You can see everything is lovely and clean, and then on the feed as well you'll see it says SM1. I think it says Swan as well on the feed. Okay, but all in all, an absolutely gorgeous pen. Rather slim, but even with my large hands, it's still a lovely, comfortable pen to hold. Now, what I'm going to do, because it's going to a new home, I'm not going to fill the pen because I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner. But what I'll do, let me get some tissue first of all to the side. I'm going to just simply do a dip test. It'd be nice to see how the pen actually writes. So we've got a Swan, cell filler, and as we said, the model being SM1-57, and the 57 means the colour of the pen. As I say, this one being a lovely blue bronze marble in gorgeous condition, made in England around about the 1940s, maybe slightly earlier, but 1940s is fine. It's writing very nicely indeed. I don't feel any flex in the nib, so let's just try and give it. Okay, there's, I'd say, a tiny little bit. Okay, so we've run out of ink, that's fine, but all in all, I'm saying it's writing with a, I would say maybe a fine to medium line, but writing very nicely indeed, as you'd expect from a gorgeous pen like this. So let's pop the cap back on, and there we have it. This absolutely stunning Swan cell filler SM57 in this beautiful blue bronze marbling colour with a nickel clip and a black ebonite lever in gorgeous condition, and I'm sure the customer's going to have many years of pleasure with this beautiful pen. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. And again, a lot of you are still forgetting, see that little symbol just below that's got a thumbs up there? Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.